So, hi guys. Good morning, guys. So here we are live, and I have taken a trade. So this is the trade I'm in. So this trade is based on 2 hour time frame, and if you recognize this setup, we call this A plus setup, right? Selling a small hurt, taken liquidity from above of this candle, created top wick, and pushing down. Let's see if this candle fills the wick. Volume time 8 9 a.m. So everything is in our control. Let's see how will it goes. I didn't place my TP my SL over here because high probability it will space back. Taken took liquidity and stop me out. Let's see if this candle, how will we manage this? We manage this if this candle broke its own highs. I'll close my 50% trade and rest will hit my SL. Let's see how it goes. So yeah, this is all it. I'll take my TP there. The smaller time frame, it is just a pullback. For a 4 hour was also flipping at that time. This candle is rejected from there. Was bearish. This went up and it was also flipping. So I thought it was a nice trade. It was a good It was a good setup. But stop loss is little bit bigger. Let's see how it goes. See, my stop loss is above this candle. In this 30 minutes will be closed. I will move my stop loss. Let's see. What will happen to 820? Everything was good. If that trade goes in my profit, that's okay. If it goes on loss, it's also okay. I have my setup. I have each and everything, whatever I need. It's impulse entry. Let's see. I have taken this impulse entry, by the way. I'll close 50% if this candle broke its own high. Let's see what the Nick is doing. How how he is trading. What's going on? I want you to guys learn top 10 analysis from him.
to really get price to get go down at all. So this candle would have been great had we had left a wick. I think we could have seen price move down at that point, but we did it. Celery play, staring right at us here. So will it be a wild Friday or will it be just a slow consolidating day? I don't know. I think if we re-break the highs here, we should have no problem filling that wick today. If we break the lows, right, then there is a high chance that we may close bearish finally to end the week and do something like
Oh,
that, where we're looking at some
we
sort
are
of like a
moving, guys,
breakout or
we
range two
are
breakout
moving.
in the daily come Monday morning. So anyway, that's the daily. Little tricky here, right? Just
We are
coming off
moving.
a big rally, just kind of printing
We are
support
moved
inside
good.
over the last couple days. This is why the week has been a little tough, by the way, right? Because look at your daily time frame. It's just boom, 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 right, side by side.
Let
So
me
it's
secure
difficult
something.
for any sort of lower time frame moves to play out when that happens. Um, and it's normal, right, after a big rally like this to just kind of chill for a minute. So let's take a look at the 4 hour here. Let's see how we can plan our session today. So it looks like the 4 hour has created a resistance here, and we have officially made a top wick. So depending on how we look here on the lower time frame, very bearish, right, for a possible move back down into these lows here
I'm
on
closing my
the
90%
4 hour time
position.
frame. So 4 hour has created resistance, right? We kind of had a high here. We made a low, we made a high, we made
Close
a low,
90%
all the way
there.
up, but never really broke the structure here. So we should continue down. Let's take a look at the 1 hour here. That's the big issue now, the 1 hour, right? Close with no lower wick. So if this 1 hour candle had a lower wick, it's an easy move at that point, right? For us to get in there. Something like this. We take the sell, we
My
get the wick fill.
SL is on.
No lower wick is very tough, right? It means no range. Let's take a look at the 30. 30's driving down. We're going to tap into this support now. So let's see how we do at the 30-minute support. And are we going to reject? Are we going to move back up with this 1 hour candle not having any lower wick? Let's take a look at the 15. 15's coming down into support as well. So really over.
I'm taking my night. I have closed 90% over there. My stops are at break even. Let's see. Let's see if it's our. Okay, it's pushing down. I do think based on this 2 hour candle, it will move down. It will go take some retest and then move back down. Okay, so we are just 1 pip from the 10 pips from the TP. Let's see coldly if it hits our TP. Gone. TP smashed, guys. Ooh. Yay. TP smashed, guys. We have done nice, 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 nice. Great, great. So that was a plus setup. I know that was a very high probability setup. Done. If anyone have taken this trade, congratulations, guys. We have done it. Okay, let's see what these guys are doing.
So it was wild. It was wild. But you know what? I'm gonna label that, and I'm gonna be honest with myself, right? Because that's what we have to do as traders. That's an unnecessary loss right there. Right? That's an unnecessary loss. I think I lost like 750 bucks on that, right? So that's unnecessary. And I could have stayed out of that and most likely been a little bit more clear headed to possibly get into some buy positions, right? So yeah, you don't want to break your plan, man. You don't want to break your plan. No, my stops got hit. Yeah, my stops got hit. I have my stops sitting above these highs. I thought they were great stops. I mean, they were only 30 pips, so it wasn't bad, but I thought like positioning wise, we would be good to go, right? But yeah, again, that 1 hour candle tried to scream at me and tell me, bro, what you doing? You know, stay out of this. So that was it. That was it. It's not as bad as you guys probably thought it was. I'm over here like I broke my plan. Horrible trade. You know, kind of had a little wick on it, but yeah. So I personally think, and I'll mark that down as an unnecessary loss right there. But hey, that's the first unnecessary loss I think I've taken. Maybe I've taken two or three this year, right? And so we're 9 months into the year, so it's not bad. Anyone got questions on that trade though? Because it was a little tricky. You know, two time frames said, "Hey, let's go." Two time frames said, "Let's just chill." And then you know what we should be doing during those times? Just chilling, right? Just chilling. What up, Traders X? What's good? What's good, C Melly? What's good? Yeah. Oh yes, and the 30-minute closeout support, which I didn't realize either. So yeah, look, that was down here, right here. I was just down there. I was lonely, so lonely. Look at that. Boom. Imagine not having a stop loss there. Holy. Yeah. I mean, luckily I was out. I was out by right here. This candle here tapped me out. But man, if I would have extended my stop or removed it, right? I mean, that would have been bad, bad news. But yep, got me, got me. Oh, congratulations. Profit targets hit. Let's go. Yo, Hunter. There you go. See that? You break your plan once, you do it again. Then you gotta step back and you gotta go, whoa, 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 whoa. Let's go back to the old me. Let's go back. Let's go back. All right, 1 hour candle's still open here. Why couldn't this? Why couldn't this 1 hour candle that? Why couldn't it do what this one did? Huh? 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 Gold? Yeah. Why couldn't that 1 hour candle do what that 1 hour candle did? Damn. Let's see. Whoa, wait, hold on. What?
So guys, it's still running. It's just filling this
No,
like
no rebate. Yeah, because we didn't even get tapped in
yeah.
last night, which was crazy. Because this is how it looked. So my sell stop was sitting like literally like right there. Maybe like right a little lower. Like right there. Never even got hit. That was the unfortunate part about it. Because even John had his sell stop like pretty much right where I had mine, maybe a slight bit lower. And a lot of people didn't get in there. Yup, there you go, David. Broke it in CPI, paid for an Asian. I mean,
So
pretty
based
good.
on 30 minutes,
Pretty good
that
ROI.
was a replacement trade.
I mean, technically, I didn't lose anything, right? I mean,
I was not ready for 30-minute retracement trade. So based on 30 minutes, on 1 hour and 30 minutes, so it was clearly showing reduce of momentum. So yeah, just see like this. When the candle was there, so this candle was okay. When this candle was printing, it was a weak bearish candle. So I thought it may happen that next candle creates some kind of support and it went up. I was waiting for that, but based on two hour, it was it was a great setup because of it was taken liquidity from here. If that candle wanted to go up, it won't come back. It just stood up and closed above these areas. But it went up, taken liquidity from there, and then went down. So it was a clear indication that something will happen. Also, this was a weak bearish candle, four 4 hour also flipping at that time. See, this candle has filled the wick. I closed 90% at how many pips? 30 pips. Then it again for 20 pips. The four This 4 hour was nice wick fill. Guys know that it was a volume time. So at the time of volume, wicks get filled, and that was the awesome setup on 4 hour. I I'll also mention it my on my journal. 4 hour wick fill. Wick fill. What was time? Right, it was 8 a.m. EST. And why open? So next time it happens, I know what to do or what to not do. Guys, also see we had a clear clear plan of how we will manage this. So it's not about one trade, it's about 10 trades, 100 trades. What will happen? So don't what I used to do, I I used to risk each everything on a trade. But as soon as I realized that it's not about a one trade, right? It's about hundreds of trade. So why do you make why don't why you need to make money in a single trade? There is no need to make millions in one trade, right? Take your time. It will take some time. Now I will journal it on my journal. So next time if the same pattern repeated, I'll take it. I know exactly what to do, what not to do, right? Because I have all the data. So that's why I say the losses are not losses are the price that you pay to market to learn. So don't forget to collect data. Now I will go and in my journal I will mention it. I'll mention each and every detail of that. Plus setup. I'm mentioning on my journal. I'll mention it. I'll note down each and I will note down each and everything. Do you want to see? Okay, let me share my screen. See, see. I'm mentioning each and everything. How it was A plus setup and taken liquidity for 4 hour flip after 2 hour time frame. Guys, this is not about one trade. It is about taking taking hundred taking 100 trade, 200 trades. So whenever you think you need to make money in a single trade, Don't think about that. Just manage your risk and and go go with it. You don't need to make money in a single trade. You need to make money over 20 dates, 30 dates, over a month. This is this is I can't stress it enough. How many days I waited? See, no trading day, no trade day, Wednesday. I think that was also no trade day for me. Thursday, yeah. I took, I think, a small loss yesterday. How many trades? I took one trade. Yeah, I took a one trade yesterday. One loss. Today, one trade. Profit. See, Monday no trading day, Tuesday no trading day, Wednesday no trading day, Thursday one loss, Friday one trade. That's it. You don't need to take billions of trades. Take take some trades and hey hey bro, hey Pinder bro, I have just seen your comment. Are you still there? Just like the screen, bro. How was your day? Good trade लिया? ये ट्रेड लिया था? Okay, okay, okay. It was a nice trade actually. Not bad. That was a nice trade. So I was just generating that trades, right? Okay. So let's go. Let's see. Trading. Raja setups. No. Forex trading journal. Let's mention it on my journal. Okay, Pinderbo. So you are right now on job. No problem. You can trade like just just how you can trade now. Just look at this time. Okay, let me change my screen. what happened to this? I'll suggest you some trading trades time. Let me cut it. Okay, let's open this website. Forex Trading, forex.com, right? This forexfactory.com. So this website, right? When you open this website, it will something look like this, right? Change timing from here to Eastern time, US and Canada, so that you will have access to time for US mm, according to US market. Then go to markets. Let me find out the trades timing. Yeah, this is sessions, right? Right now, right now you can see the New York session is just started at 5 p.m. So Indian and based on the I trade based on the NY session. सो यूएस मार्केट ओपन होता है 8 AM EST को. जब आप यहाँ से इसको चेंज करोगे ईस्टर्न टाइम के अकॉर्डिंग, तो आप देखोगे कि यूएस मार्केट स्टार्ट होता है 8 AM EST पे. और कोई भी आप जब चार्ट ओपन करोगे, तो यू विल फाइंड दैट देयर यहाँ से भी आपको भी टाइम ईएसटी में लगा के रखना है. न्यूयॉर्क जब भी 8 AM होगा तो यहाँ पे मार्केट ओपन होता है यूएस पे. टाइमिंग क्या है? 8 AM EST NY ओपन. फिर होता है दूसरा NYC न्यूयॉर्क स्टॉक स्टॉक एक्सचेंज 9:30 AM EST को NYSE ओपन. सो 8 AM पे आप जॉब पे होगे, बट आई थिंक आप 9:30 AM ये मार्केट आप ट्रेड कर सकते हो. इस पे आप आ जाओगे. और 9:30 AM EST होता है इंडियन टाइमिंग के अकॉर्डिंग. अभी कितना हो रहा है? 6:25. 7, आई थिंक 7, 7 7 PM, 7 PM टू 8 PM. जो भी अपना अपना टाइम है इंडियन टाइम, राइट? अगर इस टाइम पे अगर आप अवेलेबल हो तो दिस इज द वॉल्यूम टाइम, यू कैन ट्रेड ऑन दिस. बिकॉज आपका जो जॉब टाइमिंग है 9 AM टू 8 AM, you will not available, so ACR session is good for you, जो कि रात में होता है अपना. लाइक रात में क्या, दिन में 5, सुबह 5 से 7 बजे के बीच में AM. So this is it bro, this is for you. यार मैं भी जब जॉब में था तो मेरे साथ भी ऐसे ही होता था. आई यूज टू ट्रेड इन माई ऑफिस. मोबाइल पे ऐसे चार्ट एनालिसिस करके रख लेता था, एंड दैट वाज hectic, not that great idea. It was hectic, but I used to see what are the chart pattern, what is there any setup is not. It was not easy at that moment. Yeah, I can feel you, bro. But it's good if you can learn it and found a way slowly, slowly, slowly. I started all of these in back in 2022, Raja trading style in 2022 or 2020 or 2021. No, it was end of 2022. 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025. Now I'm seeing some growth in my trading setup and my mentality, my overall trading style. So it will take some time for you. But if you consistent with the things, if you keep learning and give up nahi karoge, so you will also see good setup. What I used to do, I also used to trade with like multiple things. मैं आज यहाँ पे किया, उसके बाद में फिर किसी और के पास गया थोड़ा सा मुझे लगता था कि मैं जितना ज्यादा सीखूंगा उतना ज्यादा मैं पैसे बना पाऊंगा. I need multiple confluences, multiple things, but everything was joke. You don't need more setups. You only need to follow the trading plan, patience, and master your own setups. Like I was showing my journal, right? See, I started journaling from May 2024. Before that, before that from 2022, I don't have any data of that. So I don't know what what were my setups, what was my entry model, how it looks before and after. I didn't have anything. But when I started journaling each and everything, and when I analyze this, when I when I have that data and I have analyzed it, I find out that some setups I did very well. What were like I was initially when I started, I used to trade like 2 to 3 hours before market open. So there was no volume in the market. So I lost a lot of trade. Now when I analyzed my journal, what I found that I don't need to trade before 2 hours, 3 hours before the session open and session closes. So what I decided, I only trade now 1 hour before I start my analyzing the market, 1 hour before any session open and 1 hour after any session open. That's it. Okay, let's journal this. Okay, it was 10th. Yesterday also no trading day. Trading day. Let's try it in 8:03 AM EST. New York. See, one trade. That's it. So the plus impulse to a time frame. This low broken of previous candle, right? Now I'll mention each and every screenshot of before and after trades. Also now I don't care where the market is going is going. It will go 30 pips, 100 pips, 200 pips. I don't care. Rating. So it was a plus setup. Why I don't take is there was anything? I think no, there was nothing. Why I don't take? What will happen if I lose that trade? What was the things? Is there anything? Is there was anything so that I don't take this trade? No, nothing. Everything was on our favor. So why I took this trade? So first of all, volume time, clean range, right? Weak bearish candle. 4 hour was flipping. 4 hour big fill. Like there was a lot of confluences. Emotions, no emotions. I knew I knew my risk and reward. I had risk management plan. मेरे पास पहले से ही plan था what I will do if candles start going against me. I had clear plans and there was no emotions. So that is very important aspect of trading. You need to journal your emotions also because whenever you take trade, you your heart is pumping, your chest is bursting, na? But you don't see. My heart was pumping for profits when I took this B trade on 10th of September. My heart was pumping for profits. 10th September. When I took this loss impulse, I was in FOMO of missing the trade. I waited 2 days and took this trade to just profit. I must stick to my initial plan, but idea was good. So no doubt my trade idea was good, but I took this trade in FOMO because I waited 2 days and didn't take any trades in last 2 days. So I took that. See, because of first trade, I was extremely excited and my eyes were not seeing and my eyes didn't see any potential risk. I wanted to risk all the profits I made. So that's why it is it is very important to note down your emotions. It will help you. I started writing on my emotions this from this month. Followed plan? Yes, I followed my plan. I took partials. So this is very important aspect of trading, right? You need to you need you have to mention each and every emotions. And remember, you don't need fancy things. You need simple things in life. हाँ यार, ऐसा होता है स्टार्ट में, हमें कुछ समझ नहीं आता है, बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं। तो इसको टाइम के साथ में चीजें समझ आती हैं। मैंने भी लाइक आज मॉर्निंग में बहुत सारे लोगों ने यहाँ पे ट्रेड लिया, ये वाला, राइट। आई वॉज वेटिंग, आई वॉज सीइंग, हाँ, यहाँ पे दिस ट्रेड, पीपल टुक दिस ट्रेड, दिस काउंटर ट्रेंड सेटअप, बट आई वॉज नॉट रेडी फॉर दैट सेटअप, आई वॉज ऑल्सो बिजी एंड आई, और मैंने ये सेटअप बहुत ज़्यादा देखा नहीं है, मुझे नहीं पता कि ये सेटअप कैसा वर्क करता है, मेरे जनरल में नहीं है। तो मैं क्या कर रहा था, आई वाज सीइंग कि ठीक है यार कैसा होता है, क्योंकि दिस वाज अ काउंटर ट्रेंड सेटअप, तो आई कांट टेक इट, लाइक मार्केट वाज बुलिश एट दैट टाइम एंड people were taking sell, so I was little bit confused there. So I waited, I didn't took this bait. And what I did, I journaled it on my there. I journaled it. If you see trading setup wala, Raja setup, E plus Wickfield counter trend. I journaled it कि कैसे लोगों ने लिया था इसको. What was the rationals behind this price shift? 4 hour SR, 1 hour candle closed bearish, support created for pullback, but 330 m, but the 330 m candle closed below the range support. Next candle bricked up and break below. So I noted each and everything. So next time it will happen, I will be able to take that trade. So there is no hurry to take the trade if you don't see anything. Why I took this trade current? Because I have seen this setup forming again and again. Like मैंने कितनी बार इस सेटअप को नोटिस किया होगा, मैंने इसको बिग फिल, like a lot of time. अच्छा, that was the field big fill. See, there is also A plus impulse. See this pattern, impulse, again see the pattern, breakout, counter trend, fade. Is there any wixel, liquidity, exhaustion? This is pullback, impulse, breakout, impulse. See, see how many times it it happened. See, so I have seen this setup enough. See, so this is the example of counter trend trade. Let me mention it, counter trend. So if you have seen a setup a lot of time, you can go with it. That's why I took that risk. Okay, let's see what other people are doing. What is doing? Okay,
Yeah, remember when I started showing you like all the consistent profits,
he's in buys.
and it just never, not that it never stopped from there, but it really never stopped from there. I haven't really been, I've basically been profitable pretty consistently ever since those years. So it kind of did just happen, and it never changed. It just never changed.
They were taken
Come on,
buys.
Goldie, give it to us.
they were taken by.
Almost the juice box here.
So market is making lower lows and lower highs. I think it will reject from them. This it didn't create a lower low. Yeah, it created a lower low.
How this 15-minute candle closes? Anybody still holding a little bit with me? I still got three contracts in here. I'm going to shave another two off at like 89, 88. Maybe a little slightly below that level. We almost got
Let's
there.
see
Yeah, right around
how it
89.
will be.
I'm going to take another two contracts if we can get there. And that's where I'll start trailing my stops as well. And then see if we can run up towards like 93. So let's wait for this 15-minute candle to close. It's going to be about 45 seconds. If we leave a wick on the top, then this looks really good to potentially keep moving up. If not, then we'll close full with no wick, no top wick or something, or at least close another two contracts. Holding three. All right. Okay. All right.
Yeah, nice. A lot of us are holding.
Beautiful. I'm holding this on my live account too. I'm hoping we can get a bigger push here at 9:30. But as long as you're break even, you're playing with house money, you close partials, everyone should be chilling here. All right, here comes 9:15 now, so we'll see what that brings. Can we continue pushing up for 9:15, or will we
Personally, I
start to
don't
come
like
back
to
down?
trade on these ranges. It was taken liquidity
Can we get a
from
dang
higher
runner?
30-minute post,
Can we get a runner?
formed support, clean range.
Let the eagle go. Big Aaron, Aaron in the house.
Yeah, I think it is
Ah,
great area to take some
What's up,
profits
good
Aaron?
morning, Rafi. Good to see you. Good to see ya.
Rafi? Morning.
because prices
Oh yeah, Andre,
lower
let me see that
highs,
because I locked out of
one
my
lower high,
top
second lower
position
high.
today.
Probably it
I
will
took a
create a
loss on
lower
that. I
high
was like, let me lock out.
from here to
Let's
move
trade the
back
power
down.
line today. Yeah, they're both good.
Let's see.
I like top. I personally like top one for the instant funded and all that, and the little bit of quicker payouts on the evaluations. But top one, top step. I like them both. All right, let's see if we can run here. Do we get a lower wick now on the 15, eh?
And see my zone. I marked this level on daily, on daily, on dailies because previously that was a resistance. Price broke that zone, and now it will act as a support to price back move up, and that is happening. That's why market is rejecting from there. It was a higher time frame, suppose. तो speak in Punjabi. भाई पंजाबी तो नहीं आती है. I can speak in Hindi. Sometimes I try to speak in Hindi. These guys are also see these guys are taken. Get 25 pips for the day. This group is awesome यार. बहुत सही कर रहे हैं ये लोग. हाँ. Chaitanya is like amazing man. I learned everything, every SRC move from this group. See, close full 25 plus. Love it, man. One of the best Friday. Absolutely. Yeah, it is. It is. Let's create support. Little by of support. Now I will. This is what. This is the full back in range. Range support. Nice, by the way. Let's watch the trade logic. Why Nick took this trade, right? Let's watch. Let's watch.
Just making money here and there. Basically, everyone thought I was perfect sense, right? So it might continue moving bullish today. If it does,
A lot. You like current candles?
a new 1 hour candle too. Good. These three right here are good
Let's see the trade logic behind
as
this
well.
trade.
Those are more mindset. Yeah. Playbook's always a good one. A month. They're very very good.
Of course.
They are very, very good.
Yeah, study Nick's YouTube. A lot of value there.
I took a trade last night. It was a winner, but it's not short.
Different.
Yes, just trying to move up. Continue moving up. Oh,
Yeah.
there. Here. A new 1 hour candle too. On gold, we got a new 1 hour candle too. So that works as well. Big rejection out of the 1 hour. 30-minute looks good, and yeah, 15-minute looks pretty good too. Yeah, hey, as long as you give time and attention to whatever you're studying, you'll get good at it, you know. Yeah, hey, that works as well. Big on gold, we got a new 1 hour candle too. So that works as well. Big on gold. We see if we can get a support here. On gold, we got a new 1 hour candle too. So that works as well. Big rejection out of the 1 hour. 30-minute looks good, and yeah, 15-minute looks pretty good too. Yeah, hey, as long as you give time and attention to whatever you're studying, break even quick. Yep. I didn't like it as much. There was just too many fake outs, too many false moves and whatnot down there, and then I just moved back to like the 15. All right, let's see how we do. So we got a support formed here. The previous candle is going to be about 90 pips, so we're going to have to see somewhat of a little lower wick here because we don't even have a new candle on the 15. So the previous candles here are all like 90 pips. So let's see if we can get involved here. Maybe a fresh break of the lows and then a continue move up after that.
Re-break of the lows, and I like these buys.
Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, so the 4-hour respected the previous 4-hour lows here, right? So we got that. We also have a support being formed. The 1-hour candle closed up very weak here. Now look, this candle can continue running down for sure, right? But 1-hour candle closing very weak, so we'll see, how this all goes down. All right, I'm gonna have a buy stop here. 3684 ish, and we'll see. I'm gonna keep current candle stop, so wherever that stop loss goes to, or at least this candle, right now it's about 30 pips for about like a 60 pip move here. So we'll see if we could break the highs and continue moving bullish. I'm glad we re-broke the low, so now like the sells could, because this could possibly move down a bit, right, to fill that wick halfway or something, and then pop back up at like 915. So
yes, sir. No, I like this a lot. You like current candle stops, or do you like placing them below that wick at like 80, 3680? That wick there, it's the left-hand side, 3680.
Oh, this wick here? Yeah, that ain't too bad.
Yeah.
That's like, 30, 38 pips. Yeah, it looks pretty good, actually.
That was the only other place I was thinking of stops.
Yep. 4-hour never broke the lows here. We came all the way down. We rejected out of here. Why are we rejecting, right? We should be pushing down, right, if we're coming down like that. So we're not going down at all. Daily time frame is very bullish. The 4-hour, again, pulling back. The 1-hour rejected support here. Closed up very, very weak, right, on the 1-hour time frame.
So
Now you have this
ये
new
बंदा
1-hour
कैसे
candle. We're running
ब्रेकआउट
into a
कर रहा है
lot of
कैंडल्स को
volume
ब्रेक
here.
डाउन कर
At
रहा
the
है.
same time, 30-minute candle closes bullish,
It's very
strong
important.
support.
Important to learn.
15-minute candle closes strong as well. I think this 30 should play itself out. We probably, could also see a 15-minute celery or something like that on this closure here. So
what he said, मैं explain करता हूँ. ये बंदे ने बोला कि पहली बात, this 4-hour candle didn't break the previous 4-hour candle. इसने क्यों नहीं ब्रेक किया? अगर इसको नीचे जाना था तो ये ब्रेक करता, ब्रेक करके नीचे कंटिन्यू करता, बट it didn't break the lows and it start moving back up. Then new 1-hour candle close weak bearish candle, very weak candle, and 30 printed a good support. It also took liquidity of these sellers and it closed bullish. 15 minutes, just a big massive giant candle. And what was the time? Time was 9 a.m. It was 9 a.m. Right. It is volume time. This candle went down. Though I must say कि आपका stop loss आपका इधर होना चाहिए because it is a risky one. Candle कभी भी flip होके आपका stop loss इधर से hit करके वापस जा सकती है. So it's good to have a stop loss below this candle. Nick ने यहाँ पे place किया था. He placed his stop loss here. For this, but if I took this trade, I would place somewhere there. This was a very aggressive match. If it took your SL, it gone. That's why we love to take these trades on volume time.
it's pretty good.
Yeah. This is looking very nice.
Like 3680. Basically current candle. Regular. Technically on the 4-hour it is, but not on the daily. right? So if that daily wants to keep moving bullish today, which it might. I mean, look at all the other daily candles, right? So it might continue moving bullish today. If it does, that's probably our opportunity to get involved here. Yeah, I like too that you closed above this range here. Over here to the left. Closed above there as well. So 1 hour candle could pop right out. All right, here we go. So I am involved. In this trade. We got partials sitting probably somewhere around these levels here, like 87 there. And then TP sitting up towards like 89. Yeah, looks pretty good.
सो मैं ये ट्रेड ब्रेक डाउन कर रहा था कि उस बंदे ने ये ट्रेड कैसे लिया था यहाँ पे, राइट। उसने क्या बोला कि सबसे पहले उसने क्या देखा कि इस वाली कैंडल ने प्रीवियस कैंडल का लो ब्रेक नहीं किया था, एंड उसका लॉजिक था अगर ये कैंडल नीचे आई थी तो इसको ब्रेक करके इसको नीचे जाना चाहिए, बट ऐसा ना होके इसने इस एरिया को रिजेक्ट किया और इट बैक अप। फर्स्ट थिंग। सेकंड, this candle 1 hour candle rejected the lows and closed small bearish। second thing। अब आ जाओ 30 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम पे। 30 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम पे इसने क्या किया, इट प्लॉटेड अ सपोर्ट। देखो यहाँ पे इसने सपोर्ट फॉर्म किया, और कैसे फॉर्म किया, इट्स फर्स्ट ब्रोक दीज लोज। अब क्या करेगा, जिस जो यहाँ पे सेलर्स होंगे, राइट, वो जैसे ही कैंडल का लो ब्रेक होगा वो जंप इन करेंगे, ठीक है, कि चलो सेल करो सेल करो सेल करो, सब कुछ घर बेच के सेल कर दो यहाँ पे। वो उन्होंने सेल किया होगा, बट दिस कैंडल ब्रोकन द लोस एंड ऊपर चला गया, तो अभी सेलर्स यहाँ पे ट्रैप हो गए, राइट। एंड इट प्लॉटेड अ गुड सपोर्ट ऑन 30 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम। अपने को एक हायर टाइम फ्रेम के सपोर्ट पे, दैट वाज सपोर्ट ऑन 1 आवर, राइट, 1 आवर एंड डेली के सपोर्ट पे एक और 30 मिनट का सपोर्ट मिल गया, तो दैट इज गुड टू गो, गुड टू टेक लॉन्ग ट्रेड। तो इसीलिए इसके हाई ब्रेक करने पे ट्रेड लिया। एसएल वाज द बिलो करंट कैंडल एंड दे एम फॉर सम 40 पिप्स। तो कितना दिया इसने, या इट हैज गिवन 40 पिप्स समथिंग। वाज नाइस, दैट्स इट, इट वाज सिंपल बाय ऑफ सपोर्ट्स। दिस वाज द आइडिया। So it is 9:30 NYSE open. I think volume will come and fuck everyone. Let's see what will happen. क्या ये कैंडल इसका हाई ब्रेक करके नीचे जाएगा विक फिल करने? लो प्रोबेबिलिटी। क्यों? क्योंकि कैंडल ऑलरेडी यहाँ से गया था, रिचेक किया इसने। Yes. लोअर हाई देखना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे क्या बनता है। मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर ब्रेक करेगा या फिर इट विल वेंट अप। लेट्स सी। आज की कैंडल अगर ऊपर क्लोज होती है तो आई थिंक नेक्स्ट वीक में ये बिग फिल करेगा। देखते हैं कैसा क्लोज होता है। बट पहले इसको ऊपर क्लोज होना पड़ेगा। अभी तो रिजेक्ट कर रहा है यहाँ से। एक भी कैंडल क्लोज नहीं हो ऊपर। क्या खतरनाक एरिया है। एक भी कैंडल ऊपर क्लोज नहीं। ना 30 मिनट ना 2 आवर। एक भी कैंडल क्लोज नहीं है। 15 मिनट की कैंडल था। 1 आवर की ऐसे ही है। क्या करूं स्ट्रीम क्लोज कर देता हूँ। ओके गाइस चलो बाय। क्लोज करते हैं स्ट्रीम आज का हो गया अपना।
Yeah, once we hit the best of, I'm basically
डन फॉर द डे।
trying to help them create the best. So I've been working with them, consulting them for a couple weeks, going back and forth, and yeah, you might hear about another really good firm coming out pretty soon. They're going to be using project